Hi! Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, well, we've got an exciting delivery. Those two parcels that you just seen that Maisie was sitting on. We'll get back to that shortly. I'm just heading down to Moffat, which is like an hour and a half, 2 hours from where I stay, to visit Cami. He's been working away on his Datsun pickup for ages now, and I'll keep promising him I'm gonna go down, and then for whatever reason I actually don't. So yeah, but no, I'm heading down now. It's some pretty cool roads. It's actually a really nice road to drive, so yeah, I'll bring you along. The maddest looking house. It's been there for years. What's it say on the signs? Mental. As far back as I can remember, that place has been empty. So cool. Oh, come on. There we go. You gonna stay alive? Well, the car's currently breaking down, then running again, then breaking down, then running again. It's just losing all power, pretty much stalling, misfiring. Start it back up again. If you try and let it idle, it misfires. You rev it up, it clears. So it's running fine again now, probably for a couple of minutes. I do have plugs to fit to this. I probably should have done it before I did the road trip. But oh well, we live and learn, I guess. I'm hoping it's just plugs. Like, it's been driving, I've did about nearly 500 mile in it since I got it, and it's been, never really missed a beat. So I wonder if it's crappy fuel or something. I'll probably start with just popping the fuel filter off when I get down here, seeing if it's full of crap, which is a possibility. St Mary's Lock, it's pretty nice down here. Like, a long time ago when I used to run a club called Stan's Royalty, yes, don't cringe too much, used to come down here like once a month for a barbecue or just for a drive. Pretty damn nice, like. Foot flat to the floor, come on. Yes. All that power. Always really popular as well though. What do you think, Maisie? Just random people want to run over. Come on, hen, move it the way. Honestly, can't get enough of these roads, like, literally on my doorstep as well. You know what, I crashed down there, I can tell you that. You watch your death fall out that window, Maisie. You having fun, hen? We're at Cami's bit. Cool stuff absolutely everywhere. We're going to chuck this Datsun back together-ish. Try and do the rear suspension and then see how we get on.
Lovely.
So I'm at the garage. I'm going to do something that's probably going to make you all cringe. Some polishing pad on the end of the drill. It's going to need repainted. There's definitely some deep scratches in there that are way past the paint. There it is. But I'm just going to do this to see if it makes any difference. I'm curious more than anything else. After I've done this, I'll whip the tyre off and see how bent the wheel is as well. Before, bang. To be honest, that looks mint on the camera, but there is a few deep scratches still in there, which are, you can actually feel them, they're too far in, but that'll do in the meantime, like. So there's the side I've not touched. I was partly leaving the white paint and that on it because I was hoping that we were going to find the car that done it, but obviously I was a wee bit too optimistic with that. Should have put 17s back on it. I'll keep the 19s. I mean, that'll do for the meantime. You can't actually see it at all at this angle, but scratch there, can't get rid of that one. And the one came with a mirror too. If only the wheel was as easy as that. Well, I'll take you in and show you the state of this wheel now. Oh, you poor wheel. That's quite the ding, like. I thought these were split rims, but I guess I was very wrong. I know, so I'm going to try just for the sake of it and straighten that. I doubt it'll balance up well, but just for the sake of it, I'm going to try heating it up and using a jack or something and pushing it out. Just for the fun. Now, onto the parcels. Before we get onto the parcels, how cool is this? Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, look at this. This is absolutely sick. Big shout out to Cami for this. He just did it off his own back. Obviously, there's little Ollie, who passed away a while ago, and it's so weird because I was honestly thinking about doing something like this, and I mentioned it to him, and he was like, "Oh fuck, don't say that, Chris, don't do that." He's like, "I've already fucking done that, I'm just waiting on it getting printed." So thank you very much, mate. Obviously, if you don't know, this is my Nissan Bluebird. It's the first kind of like cool car I ever chucked together. I've still got it sitting in a yard somewhere, but no, I need to get that back on the road, and yeah, it's just so cool, man. Thank you very much. And now, onto the parcels. Tell you what, I'll just roll it into the shop. Yeah, does that not mean I'm the same as all these other YouTubers? I mean, I've got a 350Z, I own some Blitz. I mean, I'm up there, am I not? I'm up there with my 1,000 subscribers. And onto that, thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. It's mental that there's 1,000 people that are wanting to watch me do this stuff and spend more time and money on wheels than I do on my actual cars. Thanks guys, I really appreciate it. To these cool wheels. So, I don't even know what the specs are. Well, I'm guessing 17-inch faces because it's an 18-inch wheel, so they've done a stepped lip on it. I'll need to get the measuring tape out, but I think it's like 12J wide, maybe more. Maybe it is more actually. Obviously 50114. Obviously I only have a pair because, yeah, I can't afford a full set. But no, I just couldn't help myself. I mean, they're such a cool wheel. They're a wee bit overpriced. No, wait, they're very overpriced, but I just got these just to pretty much test fit on everything. Like, I'm never going to own a set, no doubt, so test fit them on as many cars as I can. But no, yeah, I'm going to end this video here. Thanks for watching, guys. This video is up on the Wednesday. I'm trying to do the 2-week, like Saturday and Wednesday uploads. I just need to stop being lazy and get these wheels and things on these cars outside and actually finish some cool cars. I decided to put loads of stuff up for sale, like today. Well, Monday then. I don't know if anything will sell. I'll put the Soda up, the Datsun up, the Verosa up, the 350Z. There's loads of stuff. I put loads of stuff up and I'm like, if I sell a few of them, I seen a Pulsar GTI R that I used to have one and I really, really want another one. But if they don't sell, they don't. If they all sell, I'll buy an R34. So all the cars I've put up so far, if they all sell, hold me to my words, I will buy an R34. It's gonna have to be a GTT, but hold me to it. If I sell a few of them, Pulsar. If I sell none of them, yeah. If I sell none of them, which is the most likely answer. But yeah, thanks guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.